Hello, 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 happy Saturday pala. Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday to all of us. Now this one is the day of the birthday ni Sisi. As of what I'm telling already, they are good friends of Celine. They make celebration, advance happy birthday. And last May 15 at the Rainbow, and so she got an hadiah. But the celebration is, the birthday really of Celine is 16. And so this one is the hadiah. That is from the hadiah, I don't know from him, from his friend. This one, okay, and this one, the card, this one also, okay, is the hadiah that you received, and it's like a land box, savings box ba? It's like a savings box. Okay. And this one. This one. And this one also. Happy birthday, Sisi. Love, Lorna. Lorena, I don't know. How can that one? That's all in this one. Savings bank. Okay, so that's all answer. Thank you. And this one, she got the receipt. Okay, also from this one, I don't know from this one. Basta this one. I don't know what I'm saying on that one. Okay. So all of this one is for the hadiah ng Celine and my birthday. Okay, so once again, Sisi, and the one that I make in the kitchen in the 16, that is the break time of us, and then I'm just doing because it changed already, already. And just as favor that we can make that one as a souvenir for her 6th birthday at home, even like that one, only at least very simply. That is only heartily giving and making of us. Okay, so once again, thank you again for watching.
سيسهم في خلق وطن وطني
And this one, okay, ayan may passport, sabi pa niya. Okay, so that's all. And now the weather is so good, maganda rin naman. The weather is so good, but I have a laundry. Outside. Okay, so weather is so good. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Yun yung bigay ng grandmother niya. And then this one. Okay, and mga for that. Okay, so ayan si Chris. Thank you again for watching nationwide and worldwide and to the different countries and people in this world. Thank you for everything, for your helping and support from the beginning until now. All subscriber, viewers, not subscriber, not supporters, all that you're still watching in my YouTube channel and the whole social media. YouTube company. Thank you for the all staff, workers, and etc. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, different people in this world. Thank you very much. Sisi, can you close the door, please? Thank you very much. To my brother, to my cousin, relatives, mga nieces. Apo sa tuhod. Oh, ayan na yung dalawa. Oh. They are friends together. So, now is Saturday no school, summer school. So, that's why. Okay, so, to buong ang kaninanay ni tatay, and you know who you are, and almost you, all of them that are already in the social media. Nag-i-enjoy na talaga sa life. Yun na yung life. And enjoy everything that we have. Thank you very much. And we have no family celebration both sides of Madam, because Tita is in the vacation and medyo busy, so maybe making a late na. Because the important that she's celebrating already from the friends. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you again. God bless us all.